Alright, so I'm getting ready to replace the SSD M-SATA hard drive for my Samsung, and haven't really seen any videos about that, well, at least in English. But here we go. So I got this all open in the back, and as you can see, here's the components, and I took out the battery, which now you can see the pad wide open. I'm going specifically now to the area where this SSD is at, and it's right here. Okay, and it looks like I'm gonna have to take off some strappings there, and I'll go ahead and continue on here shortly. Alright, it looks like it's a pretty easy replace. First we need to take off this little strapping here. Okay, and then there's a couple of screws right here and right here. So let me go ahead and take those out, and I'll be back shortly. Alright, just remove the screws, and now it's just a matter of just pulling it out. Okay, and there you go. We have removed the SSD from the motherboard of the laptop. Okay. Alright, just went ahead and reinserted the SSD into its slot and put in the two screws, and now just go ahead and put back the strap. Okay, a couple of pushes here and there, and okay, and that's it. Good to go. Enjoy.